myself and thanks for honoring me. You can take your seat, please.
Go.
Yes, so let me quickly introduce myself. I am Ramu from the Institute of Diksha. And what we Diksha do is like we create a future doctors. That as we said in the form, right, that we create a future doctor. How many of you are having a dream to be a doctor? Can you please raise your hands? Most of you, right? Do you know like what we need to do to be a doctor? We need to write a NEET exam. Smart students. We need to write a NEET examination. Anybody know anything about what is NEET examination? NEET stands for National. NEET stands for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, and it will be conducted by NTA. Right? National Testing Agency. Apart from this, what we know? NEET. Do you know NEET is the only exam is conducted in India? Only one entrance exam conducted by India to be a doctor. And this is the only exam is conducted all over the country, and all the students in India are participating in the NEET to be a doctor. And NEET is the exam that will going to decide you, like you will be going to take the seat in MBBS or not. Right? So can we understand how important the NEET examination is? Right? So it is very important us to know like more about it, right? So in this competition level, like as we said, one nation is having only one exam, and all the students in the country are participating for getting a medical seat. Like we know what will be the competition level, and what are all the subjects that we are covering, and what is the syllabus for this examination. Well, the syllabus is very simple, like what you study in first PUC and second PUC of physics, chemistry and biology. That is, botany and zoology both will be together. And like what is the each subject is carrying the marks, how much weightage each subject is carrying? We don't know, right? Anybody? 180. That's very good. The total marks, the total questions, not marks, the total questions will be asked in the NEET is 180 questions. So can we split this 180 questions, like it's a chemistry how much, physics how much? Yes? Chemistry 60, physics 60, biology, botany 30, zoology 30. Sure. So let's discuss. Chemistry is having a 45 marks. Physics is having a 45 marks. Botany is having a 45 marks. And zoology is having a 45 marks. Together biology is having a very good, very smart. Right. And in this competition level, we have a very much limited seats, right? MBBS. That is the reason it's so expensive, and many of the students are cannot be able to affordable. And it is very important such examination to eliminate the students, to reject the students from medical seats, right? So what are all the tough criteria that to clear this examination is? We have adopted for correct answer, we will get a mark, right? For wrong answers, right? Like if I don't know, it's better to be not to answer, other than giving an answer. Like if you don't know something about, let me adopt in practical. Like if you don't know eyes, If we don't know about bones, if we don't know about teeth, it's ready to be not to give the treatment, right? So what you know, that only you need to give the treatment is what we have to adopt it. So here for each right answer we are going to get a 4 marks, and for each wrong answer we are going to penalize -1. Like let me understand, in 180 questions I mark 100 marks is the right one, and like it's a 50 marks, I know like I have a doubt between two and I selected it, and I got 50 marks is the 50 questions is the wrong answer. For 100 marks how much I got is total marks 400. For 50 wrong answers how much I deducted? -50. So total what will be my marks is? My marks is 350. 350 is my actual marks. If I don't attempt 50 questions which I have a doubt, then what will be my marks is? Exactly, right? So this is what is computation exam. We understand its seriousness. What is the seriousness? Like why it's so important that before marking the answer, and how many questions? Do you know how much time we will get to solve this 180 question? Anybody? 3 hours. 3 hours means each question we will get a 1 minute and 180 minutes to solve this question paper. Like it's a we don't get any descriptive or nothing like that. One statement, one question will be given, and you will be given a 4 options, and out of that 4 options you need to mark the right answer, and it's everything needs to be done in 1 minute. So this is what is all about, and apart from that, like it's a we are conducting in NEET 30 languages, and I guess like eligibility that we have to speak. Apart from this, anybody is having any doubts? Done. Like let us speak about eligibility criteria. Who is eligible for getting a NEET examination? The first and foremost important eligibility criteria that what we should know is what we should know. Any eligibility? Do you know all are eligible for us to get a NEET examination? No. The eligibility criteria, you must have to get a 50% in your +2 PUC. Those who got the 50 and 50 plus, in general, they are eligible to take the NEET examination. And in SC, ST and other backward categories, they got the 40% and plus to get a chance to write a NEET examination. And all of us, like this is clear, we got the 50%. As it okay, like it's who is taking the NEET from classroom, like it's either coming and sitting in the classroom and properly educated, then only you are eligible to take the NEET examination. If you are taking a like it's a distance education, what we call like it's I am in home and I am doing some part-time examination, I clearly get the 70%. Can I take the NEET examination? No, they are not eligible. Like it's a who is taken the properly, in the classroom lectures and all, they are only eligible. And apart from this, like it's a what else matter? You must be a 17 plus to take a NEET examination, right? So these are all the eligibility criteria. And now here it comes the actual pattern. Everybody is competing, everybody is fighting, everybody wants to win in the getting to be a doctor. Everybody is chasing their dream to be a doctor, right? Like it's a very good and a very respected profession. Moreover, what else can be best other than like it's a near saving a life, right? So this is what best can happen, what best profession can be apart from saving a life. So I think very important on only the career. So this is what it's like. It's a real actual pattern and actual competition will start, and everybody will come into the picture to get their medical seat. So how can we stand for better to crack this examination? Highly complicated one exam all over India, and like it's a lakhs of students are appearing and thousands of seats are available. Do you know the rate what last year at the examination they got? How many students are participating and how many seats are allocated for them? Let me tell you, like it's a 23 students are participating in NEET examination and one student is getting the medical seat. This is what I do. And 22 students, they don't have a medical seat. They need to go for a BSc, they need to do any other nursing or any other thing. Please continue.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yes. In this competition, like it's important for us to be a strong. To be a strong, like we have to exercise our mind to that extent, like we will win in the battle. Right? Here where Diksha will come into the picture to make you strong, like what important for you to crack this examination. So Diksha, as we said, like we are commissioned future doctors and also 60,000 plus success stories, and we are existing in the NEET competitive exam from past 22 years. And this is my contact number. This poster is, it's displayed in the notice board that you can check it out, and my contact number is also available. And there is a PPT, like if you can able to send your parents or your any family members phone, like I will send WhatsApp through that document PPT and all, and also soft copy of this browser. And my name is Ram, and let's my contact number I am writing, like anybody interested they can note it down, and I will send this soft copy to your number. My number is 8095814746. So this is my number, and about Diksha NEET 2022, we have all India ranking is 65 and 89. Apart from this, like many students, 1,000 students are there who got their score is 600 plus. Right. Like for this NEET examination, many of the institutes are charging 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs per annum. And we are offering these for 90,000 rupees. And I know like many of you don't offer 90,000 for getting a NEET examination, and we are offering the 80,000 of scholarship. 80,000 of scholarship for those students who got 400 plus. And you will be paying only 10,000 rupees for registration fee. Happy? So, like we are offering a 10,000 rupees, means we are charging a 10,000 rupees. It's a dedicated residential coaching. Like to take this coaching, you must have to be in the hostel in Bangalore. So for hostel charges, we are charging 10,000 rupees for those students who got 400 plus. And straight forward, we are giving a 9,000 scholarship, and they are only charging a 1,000 rupees per month accommodation for 6 months. Means like total overall dedicated coaching for 6 months in Bangalore with residents. We are going to be charged, if you got the code, only for 16,000 rupees. This is our fee structure. And anything apart, if you want to know more about like this, you can contact me, and you can take some appointment with your parents. I will come to your home and let us discuss. Let them also know like what important is to do. It's a very much opportunity to do this, right? So this is what all about. Like it's anything you want to ask anybody? Yes. Please. thank you all. Just please check it out. This you know. Also, I got the job already. So this is number one preferred brand institution for competition exams. And here we have success rate of 74%. And as I said, like it's a 23:1 in India. And also in each job we have 3 students will get the medical seats out of 4 students. This is our success rate, and this is A is a higher All India ranking system. They got 65 and 89, and all these students are got 600 plus. It's a very good ranking in 600. So these are all our faculty members. Our faculty members are like it's a PhD holders, gold medalists, and having almost more than 9 years of experience. And these are all our past students reviews. And this is our campus. Yeah, okay. So this is like very what can I say? This is our campus and this is the class 2. We have schools and also residential. Each one is having two beds, dedicated system table, study table and all. This is the roadmap to success, right? So this is what like you need. This is what we are providing. And each month, how like we are going to start this NEET exam, competitive exam. And like it's the first month we have 148 hours, 20 hours and 20 hours of reading and 4 hours of testing. And we have a parenting model, like it's a each faculty, like if you have a class teacher, like we have a parenting model. Anything, any questions you have, you can ask your parent faculty. And apart from this, like 4 months we will be given a dedicated coaching, and 2 months it will be all doubts, clarification, sessions will be there. So that's it. This is the form that you need to fill to get take admission now. Yes, thank you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Like it's we will get back to you soon in campus. And please just look into this project which is displayed in notice board. Thanks for your time. Thank you.